So I have the Einhomn velvet bed frame. Now in this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of this bed frame so you know exactly what to expect when yours arrives. But the first thing I love about this is everything's nicely labeled for you. The instructions are very clear, and they do say if you have two people putting it together, you can get it done in 45 minutes. And I actually did it by myself, and it took me about an hour. So I think you can actually get it done faster than 45 minutes if you got some help. Otherwise, super easy by yourself. Before I put the mattress on there, I wanted to highlight a few things. One thing I love about this bed frame, it's very sturdy. You're going to have strong metal beams throughout, but then they're also going to give you foam and wooden slats. So everything is going to be completely silent for you, which I love. I hate when my bed squeak at night. So if you're having that problem, this is going to fix that for you. Now, on top of the sturdiness, you're going to get velvet that goes all through the headboard, sides of the bed, and the foot of the bed. Now, this is very soft to the touch. It feels amazing and just very inviting to get into the bed and just be comfortable. And I demo a bunch of different bed frames, and one thing that I do like about this is that velvet runs all the way around the bed frame. It's completely wrapped in that, so it's going to give you a complete look that just gives like a nice luxurious feel, which I'm a fan of. Now, if you're wondering what's beside the bed, these are going to be kind of like charging cubbies. So you have a USB port and a USB-C port there to charge your phone, alarm clock, or whatever you want. And the shelf is pretty big on both sides, so you can put a bunch of stuff on there and your phone will not be falling off at night. And if you're curious how the lights work, they're all going to be controlled by an app, which you just scan a QR code when you get the bed. Otherwise, it can be manually with a switch. You can do different lights, different dances. Right now, I'm actually syncing it to a song, which is really cool. So it's going to be really customizable and however you want to do it. And I think my favorite part, and this would be really, really cool if you're a parent and you're putting this in your kids' room, is you can schedule the lights to go on and off. So if you want the lights to go on every night at 7 p.m. and turn off at 10 p.m. because that's bedtime, that's lights off time, you can actually schedule it to do that, which I think is really, really cool. And as a kid, I would have loved this in my room to play around with. Now, the final feature I want to show off about this bed frame are going to be the two storage drawers underneath. They got wheels on them, so you can slide them in and out. They're going to be pretty big, so you can put sweatpants down there, sweatshirts, if you got an extra blanket. So anything you can put under there, just give you some extra room in your bedroom is going to work. But overall, I am super happy with this bed frame. I love the assembly process was easy. I love that you got cubby holes with charging stations to both sides of it. And I love that you got velvet all the way around it. So super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.